Hi, Mike Tabler with Tabler Insurance, and today we want to talk about life insurance a little bit. And often we get a question that is, how much life insurance should I have? And that's a hard question for me just to tell someone what that answer is. There are a few resources out there that you can use. One of those, and that's a guideline that the industry uses, is they say all your debt plus 7 to 10 times your income. That would allow you to pay that debt off, and then it's also going to be an income replacement for, let's say, the spouse that has passed away. That's a general plan, and if you have kids, you want to probably go more to the 10 times the size of income for that. Another one is the 𝗍𝗵 method. So 𝗍𝗵 method is very similar, and that's going to be they're going to consider debt, you're going to consider income replacement, you're going to consider your mortgage, and then education. Education would be maybe you have student debt, or maybe you want to plan for your kids to be able to have money to be able to go to college if something would happen to you. Those are probably the two most common. There's another one that's just a multiplier of income, and they say 10 to 12 times your income. But those are just guidelines to help you. It's got to be something that the husband and wife or the family is comfortable with doing. The other part of it is you got to make sure you're doing something that's going to fit your budget. You don't want to buy a policy that's going to strap you and it's going to make other things more difficult. And so sometimes when someone sees those numbers of what they need and the cost that's associated with it, that scares them, and then sometimes they don't do anything. My recommendation is just do something. It doesn't have to be the full plan today. It doesn't have to be done tomorrow. Maybe it's something you work up to. But do something that fits your budget. Buy something so at least the family's not out completely, or you're only relying on a group life insurance you might have through your employer. And you can't always take those with you when you leave that employer, so it's important to take that into consideration. If you want to sit down and review your life insurance or have some questions about life insurance, feel free to reach out to us. We'll help you out through that process. Thank you.